guys, in this video of a basic SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to see that how can you use split entities option and jog entities. Jog entities option available in SolidWorks which are very useful for making complex geometry. So let's start making a 2D figure. Let's say it is rectangle with dimension of 70 mm width and 120 mm length. So we have drawn the rectangle. Now what we want to do, we want to split the top length of rectangle into three different parts. So how can you do that? So go to tools and this option available, split entities. In the sketch tool, split entities, click on that. Now you have to select like the line, as you can see here, click on the sketch entity to split. So this is our sketch entity and we are going to divide into three parts. So select first point and second point, which is arbitrary, and then we can give a dimension to the point. So after selecting that, you can use a dimension option. Let's say this is 45 from this edge, and let's say this is also 45 from this edge. So we don't need to give this dimension. So you have splitted this top line of the rectangle into three parts, and if you want to remove this line, what you can do, you can just simply use the grid option. So you can split the entities, you can use this sketch tool and use the split entity option. So this way you can use the split entity option. So now the next option which we are going to see is the jog option, which is available also in the tools. So before that, click on sketch, go to tools, sketch tool, and there is an option of jog line. As we know that jog line is a line which you can make, which has some height from some base, and it has different height. So let's use this line to make a jog. So what it says that click and drag on a sketch line to add a jog. So we have to click this line, and from like which point you want to make a jog, so click on this point and drag it like this. So you have made a jog like this. Again, if you want to make a jog here on this line, click on this point, like this. You have to make a jog like this here. Let's say here. So in this way you can make jog, and then you can give dimension to it, like from here to here. Let's say we have 5. From here to here, let's say we have 14. So in this way you can use this jog option to make a jog on a vertical line, on a horizontal line profile. I hope this video will be helpful to you. So thank you for watching the video.